In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sold prices on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned eBay seller or just getting started, knowing the actual prices at which items are sold can provide invaluable insights. This information can help you set competitive prices for your own listings and truly understand the market demand for a particular item. So let's walk you through these simple steps to navigate eBay's sold listings feature. First off, ensure that you're logged into your eBay account. This step is crucial because some features are not fully accessible if you're browsing without logging in. If you don't already have an account, it's very easy to create one, and it will greatly enhance your eBay browsing and selling experience. Next, head over to the search bar on eBay's homepage and type in the item you're interested in. For instance, if you're looking into the pricing of Nike Air Max 270, simply type it into the search bar and hit enter. It's important to be as specific as possible with your item description to get the most relevant results. Once your search results come up, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you see a section titled Show Only. This section allows you to filter your search results, which is a key element in finding sold prices. Under Show Only, you'll come across a checkbox for sold items. Go ahead and click on that box. You'll notice that once you check sold items, the completed items box will also be automatically checked. This dual selection is important because it refines your results to show not just any listings but those that have indeed resulted in a sale. Now, the listings that populate your screen consist only of items that have been successfully sold on eBay. This gives you a clear idea of what buyers are willing to pay for the item you're researching. Additionally, the prices, which you'll see highlighted in green, are the actual amounts at which the items were sold, providing you with accurate market data. You can also see the date each item was sold, which adds another layer of context regarding market trends over time. The insight you gain from this process helps you determine a realistic price point for your listings. By knowing what buyers have paid rather than just seeing what sellers are asking, you can position your items more effectively. As an optional step, you can sort the sold listings by various criteria such as date, price, or perhaps even location, depending on your specific needs. This sorting function allows you to tailor the information further, helping you find the most relevant data for your purposes. That's it for today's tutorial on finding sold prices on eBay. By following these steps, you'll become more adept at navigating and understanding the market trends on eBay, equipping you to make informed decisions in your own selling ventures. Happy eBaying!